Meta Quest 3 sounds like a fascinating title, perhaps for a game or a creative project. Here's a fictional synopsis for a game with that title. Title: Meta Quest 3: The Chronicles of the Multiverse. Synopsis: in Meta Quest 3: The Chronicles of the Multiverse, players embark on an epic journey across parallel dimensions, each with its own unique challenges and mysteries. As a member of the legendary Meta Explorers Guild, your mission is to unravel the secrets of the multiverse and prevent an impending catastrophe that threatens to collapse all realities into chaos. Armed with the latest in interdimensional technology, players traverse through diverse worlds, ranging from futuristic cities to ancient ruins, and encounter a myriad of creatures, both friend and foe. CozyPod Portable Plug-in Heater is a revolutionary heating solution designed to provide warmth and comfort wherever you go. Whether you're working in a chilly office, traveling in your RV, or simply want to add extra warmth to any space, the CozyPod heater is your perfect companion. Key features: compact and portable, the CozyPod heater is small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, making it incredibly portable. Take it with you wherever you need a boost of warmth, whether you're traveling, camping, or just moving from room to room. Plug-in design: with its plug-in design, the CozyPod heater is incredibly easy to use. Simply plug it into any standard electrical outlet, and it immediately starts radiating warmth. No complicated setup or assembly required. Adjustable thermostat: customize your comfort with the adjustable thermostat feature. Set the temperature to your desired level, and the CozyPod heater will automatically maintain a cozy environment, keeping you warm and comfortable. Safety features: safety is paramount, and the CozyPod heater is equipped with built-in safety features to give you peace of mind. Lool Robot seems like an intriguing concept, perhaps for a fictional character or a playful invention. Here's a whimsical description of what a Lool Robot might be like. Introducing the Lool Robot, your friendly neighborhood companion with a twist of whimsy and a dash of laughter. This quirky little bot is here to brighten your day and bring a smile to your face with its unique personality and playful antics. Features: giggly demeanor: the Lool Robot is programmed to giggle at almost anything, from silly jokes to unexpected surprises. Its infectious laughter is sure to lift your spirits and spread joy wherever it goes. Dance mode: with its nimble moves and rhythmically gyrating body, the Lool Robot is always ready to bust a move. Activate dance mode, and watch as it grooves to the beat of your favorite tunes, turning any mundane moment into a dance party extravaganza. Emoji expression screen: instead of a traditional face, the Lool Robot features a dynamic emoji expression screen that reflects its mood and emotions. From smiling faces to winking eyes and everything in between, the Lool Robot communicates through a delightful array of expressive emojis. Varjo XR4 series is a cutting-edge line of mixed reality (XR) headsets developed by Varjo, a leading company in the field of virtual and augmented reality technologies. Here's an introduction to the Varjo XR4 series. 1. Advanced Mixed Reality Technology. The Varjo XR4 series combines virtual and augmented reality capabilities, offering users an unparalleled mixed reality experience. It seamlessly blends virtual content with the real world, allowing for immersive interactions and realistic simulations. 2. High-resolution optics. One of the standout features of the Varjo XR4 series is its high-resolution optics. Varjo is known for its industry-leading display technology, providing users with incredibly sharp and detailed visuals. This high level of visual fidelity enhances the realism of virtual and augmented reality experiences. Apple Vision Pro is Apple's first spatial computer that seamlessly blends digital content with the physical world. Here are some of its key features. Apps: it provides an infinite canvas that transforms how you use apps. You can arrange apps anywhere and scale them to the perfect size. Entertainment: it can transform any room into your personal theater. With more pixels than a 4K TV for each eye, you can enjoy stunning content wherever you are. Photos and videos: it is Apple's first 3D camera. You can capture spatial photos and videos in 3D, then relive those moments with immersive spatial audio. Connection: it makes it easy to collaborate and connect wherever you are. FaceTime video tiles are life-size, and as new people join, the call simply expands in your room. Design, it integrates advanced technology into an elegant, compact form. Vision OS, Apple's first spatial operating system. Control Apple Vision Pro with your eyes, hands, and voice. QOOLA Pro is a revamped wearable air conditioner that offers a unique cooling experience. Here are some of its key features. 20 degrees Fahrenheit skin cooling. QOOLA Pro delivers a sub-zero chilling sensation directly on anywhere you wear it. You can easily adjust the temperature that best suits you within the range of 70 to 54 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 to 12 degrees Celsius. 3-level cooling modes. QOOLA Pro features 3 different cooling modes that can be adjusted to meet your preferences or needs. With its low, medium, and high cooling settings, you can customize the airflow to your liking. Pain reliever. The new maximum cooling option allows for long, penetrating cooling to soothe your minor bruise injuries. On the maximum option, QOOLA Pro is able to match the cooling performance of ice packs over its average cooling cycle. AI temperature control. You can access all control options on your phone with it, as well as check for weather information, such as temperature and humidity. You can also choose Smart Mode to auto-detect the current temperature and select the right cooling level for you. Immersive Room as a future classroom is an innovative approach to education that leverages immersive technologies to create dynamic and engaging learning environments. Here's an overview of what such a classroom might entail. 1. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, integration. An immersive room would likely incorporate VR and AR technologies to create interactive and lifelike educational experiences. VR headsets could transport students to different locations, historical periods, or even microscopic worlds, while AR overlays digital content onto the physical environment, enhancing learning through interactive simulations and visualizations. 2. Interactive displays and surfaces. The classroom would feature interactive displays and surfaces, such as large touchscreens or smart whiteboards, that allow students to manipulate digital content and collaborate on projects. These interactive elements could be seamlessly integrated with the immersive technologies to facilitate hands-on learning and group activities. Motor Zero, a new definition of a razor, could potentially refer to a futuristic or innovative concept in the realm of shaving technology. Here's a speculative interpretation. Motor Zero suggests a razor that operates with minimal or zero physical exertion from the user. This could imply the integration of advanced motorized mechanisms into the razor design, allowing for automated shaving processes. The phrase "a new definition of a razor" hints at a departure from conventional razor designs and functionalities. Perhaps this razor incorporates cutting-edge features such as motorized blades, blades that move or oscillate automatically, requiring minimal manual effort from the user. Smart sensors, sensors that detect hair length, skin sensitivity, and adjust blade pressure and movement accordingly for a precise and comfortable shave. Wireless connectivity, integration with smartphone apps or other devices for personalized shaving routines, maintenance reminders, or performance tracking. LITO, the redefined walkie-talkie, suggests a reinvention or modernization of traditional walkie-talkie technology. Here's a speculative interpretation of what features and functionalities LITO might offer. Compact design. LITO could feature a sleek and ergonomic design, making it lightweight and easy to carry for users on the go. Long-range communication. Despite its compact size, LITO could boast extended communication range, leveraging advanced antenna technology or communication protocols for clear and reliable transmission over long distances. Enhanced durability. Constructed from rugged materials, LITO could withstand harsh environmental conditions, making it suitable for outdoor activities, adventure sports, or professional use in demanding environments. Advanced voice quality. Incorporating noise-canceling microphones and high-fidelity speakers, LITO could deliver crystal-clear voice communication even in noisy or crowded settings. Digital features. LITO might offer digital encryption capabilities to ensure secure communication, as well as digital displays for easy navigation of settings and channels. WAINLUX Z3 Portable Laser appears to be a product name, suggesting a portable laser device manufactured by WAINLUX. While I don't have specific information about this product beyond its name, I can offer some speculative possibilities about its features and potential applications. Compact design. The portable aspect suggests that the WAINLUX Z3 is designed to be easily carried and used on the go. It might have a compact form factor, making it convenient for travel or fieldwork. Laser cutting/engraving. Given the mention of laser, the device could be capable of laser cutting and engraving on various materials such as wood, plastic, leather, or even certain metals. This could make it useful for hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, or small-scale artisans. Versatile material compatibility. The WAINLUX Z3 might support a wide range of materials, allowing users to create diverse projects and designs. Precision and accuracy. The laser technology employed in the device could offer high levels of precision and accuracy, enabling intricate and detailed designs.